Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha FGDP-50 finger drum pad and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this finger drum pad glitching or not responding or lagging or not working, anything like that that you need to try to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. Now you'll have to set up any settings or favorites or configurations that you've done on it, because this will all be wiped to the factory settings like when it came out of the box. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and have it like it just came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that pretty easily. With the drum pad on, we're just going to come over here and hit the menu button. And then from the menu button, we're going to use these arrows to toggle over until we get to the option that says factory reset. And then we're going to hit the enter button that's right here. And once we do that, it's going to come up, it's going to say reset with a question mark. It's just a confirmation page. So from there, you're going to hit enter again. Then it'll say, up here, it'll say resetting. Just allow it to do its thing. When it's done, it'll come up and say completed. And everything will be restored to its out-of-the-box factory settings.